Let's do it. Yep.
Oh, good. That was not. Alright, and today on Full Send we got this bloke, Dougie, and his Commodore. Doug, tell us about your Commodore, girlfriend. Come this way.
Bought it off of a mate of mine for $300, and it had a dead fuel pump. So I put a new fuel pump in it, started up, and then started throwing a little bit of money at it.
And what's it owe you?
All up now, $1,300.
And how many sets of tyres has it done?
4. Holden Astra power steering pump, and involves obviously running a high pressure hose to the existing high pressure line. Used a 10mm
Dash 10?
dash 10 dash 4 or dash 10?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's a dash fitting anyway. It's got a crush fitting in there. Crushes onto the factory hose, and then that runs across here, returns back to here via a transponder. So hopefully it will never get full.
And tell us about your twin throttle bodies.
There's a little design that I came up with in my lots of spare time. It's 280 by 140.
Do you know what the volume is?
It's roughly 3.9 litres.
Perfect.
That's including the rest of the cleaning where it goes down to the rudders.
Yep, perfect.
And marked and drilled out these where these throttle bodies go. Got a couple of bolts go up in here, so I just plug straight on.
And it's still standard computer?
Standard computer, standard wiring loom, standard throttle cable. So just sort of pieced together out of little bits and pieces I was laying around, bits and pieces from work. It's got a wide height valve rod to actuate those throttle bodies. It's got a Daihatsu Feroza throttle linkage welded to the Commodore throttle linkage for the reverse setup for the cable. And the rest of it's just all bits and pieces of scrap stuff laying around.
Very nice. So give us a rundown, what's been done to the car from standard?
It's got a set of 411 diff gears from a Nissan Pintara, swapped to me by yours truly. Other than that, it's pretty much how it came. Well, it is a BT1 spec Commodore.
BT1!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, Julian!
And I don't know what they've done to the auto, but it holds every gear. Well, not upshift.
It hasn't had the diode trick done, has it?
No, it has not.
Perfect. It's probably been thrashed before.
It might have been even shift kitted.
This car was way straight when he got it. It actually still is, other than that massive amount of rubber. Alright guys, well, that's all got Dougie's Commodore. We'll flick to some videos of him skidding. Enjoy.